Welcome to you all. Today's topic is KIRCHHOFF'S law for electrical network. First law, it says that the algebraic sum of the currents meeting at a point is 0. Algebraic sum of the current meeting at a point is 0. That is summation I is equal to 0. This law is also called KIRCHHOFF'S current law or KCL. Okay, let us consider a number of wires connected at a point P. There are 5 wires. All are connected at P. The currents are I1, I2, I3, I4 and I5. So the 5 wires having 5 different currents I1 to I5. What is the sign convention? Sign convention, the current approaching the point, that is towards the point, is positive and away from it is negative. Towards is positive, away is negative. According to the sign convention, we would find that I1 and I2, these two are positive. I3, I4 and I5, these are negative. So I1 plus I2 minus I3 minus I4 minus I5 is equal to 0, So that is summation I is equal to 0. Summation I is equal to 0. Okay. So from the above equation we get I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 plus I4 plus I5. So we concluded that the total amount of currents meeting at a point is equal to the total amount of current away from it. So this is the first law. What is second law? Second law states that in a closed circuit, the algebraic sum of the current or sum of the EMFs, the algebraic sum of the EMFs is equal to the algebraic sum of the products of the resistances and currents flowing through it. Okay, sum of EMF is equal to the sum of the products of resistance and current. So that is, this implies that summation IR is equal to summation E. This law is also called KIRCHHOFF'S voltage law or KVL. First law is called KIRCHHOFF'S current law, that is KCL. Second law is called KIRCHHOFF'S voltage law, KVL. KCL and KVL, there are 2 laws. Let us consider in a closed circuit ABCD containing resistances R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5 in all parts AB, BC, CD, D and AC respectively. Let currents are I1, I2, I3, I4 and I5. So the direction is given in the figure. Let E1, the source of EMF connected in between A and C. E2, the source of EMF connected in between A and B. Okay. Sign convention. First, if the currents in clockwise direction, the direction of current in clockwise, it is taken as positive. If it is anticlockwise, that is negative. Clockwise is positive, anticlockwise is negative. If current flows in the circuit is from positive to negative, that is positive for EMF. If current flows in the circuit towards the positive end for EMF, that is negative. If current flows in the circuit from plus to positive to negative, the EMF is positive, otherwise it is negative. Applying KIRCHHOFF'S second law to the mesh ABC, that is I1 R1 plus I2 R2 minus I5 R5 is equal to E1 minus E2. Applying Kirchhoff's second law to the mesh ACD, I5 R5 minus I3 R3 plus I4 R4 is equal to E1. In general, summation IR is equal to summation E. Summation IR is equal to summation E. In first law, summation I is equal to 0. In second law, summation IR is equal to summation E. That's all. Thank you.